So what I want to do now, I want to actually take this pipe, PVC pipe here, and put it in this connection. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm using a cleaner, you can see clear cleaner, and I put it around the area where I'm going to glue. This is the area. Now let it wait for 1 minute or so. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use all-purpose, multiple-purpose PVC. I don't really need to use the heavy-duty one because I'm going to put it on the air condition where is the water coming from the condensation, so there's no pressure. So I'm going to put liberal amount, always put the liberal amount on this pipe, which is the male, and a thin coat here, not all the way inside, just in the entrance. Okay, and then push it, and give it a little bit of movement here. Give it like that for 10 seconds, hold it. 10 seconds pass. Now we just go and to clean the excess. Quite a bit of excess, just clean it with some tissue. So you can see it's done. And from now on we have to wait 15 minutes until this will stick. I'm going to put the other one now. The other one I have to use the same thing, to put it cleaner first. And put the cleaner here and wait 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute passed. This is the male, this is the female. Okay? So always you put a liberal amount on the male all over, and a very thin coat here, just in the inside, not all the way. Okay, take the male and you push it slowly and give it 45 degrees and hold it like that for 10 seconds. Don't let it move. Ten seconds pass. Clean the excess with a tissue. If you need more tissue, you can use more tissue. And leave it like that for 15 minutes. And that's done. So this piece going here, and this is actually the container that all the water, and this is the pump. The pump actually pump the water to this pipe. Okay, and what we want to do now, we want to take this piece of pipe here and push it here. We want to glue it to that one and to this one. Okay, so in order to do it, we need to do the same thing. We have to use the clear first. Take a clear here, so run it around here and around here. Remember, the clear should clean it. You can just make sure that it's clean, because I reused the piece that was really dirty. So it looks clean now. So we can wait 1 minute until it will dry a little bit. So in the female I'm going to put a thin coat. And on the male pipe I'm going to put quite a liberal amount. And quickly push it inside the bottom of the stuff here. And hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds passed, and we can leave it like that. And actually we have here, now we have to wait 15 minutes until this construction will dry up, and then we can actually start the air condition to work. You can use this paper just to remove excess if needed. And okay, that's it.